Hello and welcome to this video, which is on e-commerce domain knowledge for testers, business analysts and developers. E-commerce means electronic commerce. It is the sale and purchase of goods and services using the internet. E-commerce can use websites, mobile apps, real-time online chat, which can be text-based chat or video chat, or it can use chatbots. Now in this e-commerce domain knowledge for business analyst video, note that the goods and services in e-commerce can be physical or digital. Examples of physical goods and services are food, groceries, medicines and travel services. Logistics means getting the goods or services to the customers to fulfill the orders. Physical e-commerce products are shipped to the customers from the distribution center, which typically have a smaller number of available products, or the warehouse, which has a large number of products. Examples of digital goods and e-commerce services are software, e-books, music, internet banking and online consultations with a medic or tax consultant, etc. Digital products are typically sent to the customers by content delivery computer networks. E-commerce marketing strategy may use emails, online advertisements, social media or price comparison websites, which are search engines that show features, reviews and prices of numerous products. The price comparison website sends internet traffic to the seller's website. If an online sale occurs, the website earns a commission. This is called affiliate marketing. Next, let us see e-commerce categories in this e-commerce domain knowledge video. E-commerce can be categorized into B2B, B2C and C2C. B2B means business to business. B2B e-commerce purchases are typically planned in advance. Depending on the order value, the purchase may need approvals from different roles like manager, director, etc. Price negotiation is common in B2B purchases. The payment is typically made after the delivery of goods or services. Since B2B e-commerce involves repeat e-commerce sales, the two businesses are in a long-term relationship. B2C means business to consumer. E-commerce B2C purchases are direct to consumer, meaning there are no middlemen like the distributor, wholesaler or retailer. B2C purchases include purchases on impulse. Since a B2C purchase may be a one-off purchase, the e-commerce company offers a fixed price to the customer. The customer may pay with the business using credit card, debit card, internet banking or digital wallet. Currency or currency related units like points can be preloaded in a digital wallet. The customer can then use the units in his wallet for B2C purchases. The digital wallet is also called a e-wallet. Another e-commerce or electronic business category is C2C. C2C means consumer to consumer. C2C purchases are direct customer to customer without any middlemen. C2C purchases are done on a third-party website. It is easy for a customer to register on the C2C website and list his item for sale. The C2C website typically charges a seller for listing an item, promoting his item, and selling his item to the buyer. Finally, in e-commerce business knowledge, let us see the types of e-commerce. These are online retail, e-commerce marketplaces, and online auctions. Online retail is a type of e-commerce in which the customer buys goods or services using the internet with a web browser or mobile app. In retail e-commerce, the customer can browse the products of the e-business, see the images, prices, discounts and other details. E-commerce marketplaces are e-commerce websites in which goods and services are offered by multiple providers like manufacturers, wholesalers and retailers. The e-commerce marketplace has a wider range of products because of the large number of providers. The e-commerce marketplace operator only processes the customer transaction. The order is actually fulfilled by the provider. Online auctions or e-auctions can be categorized into B2B, B2C and C2C. Online auction customers have to use an online auction tool to place bids on items. An online auction may have private bids in which information from other bidders is not available. Or an online auction may have the bid amounts, bid timings, etc. visible to all the bidders. That's all in this e-commerce domain knowledge for developers and domain knowledge for testers video. For general tips on how to get domain specific knowledge in any industry, you can view my video in the card above. Domain knowledge in software development is about the concepts, vocabulary and terms in a particular industry. Business domain knowledge is important for productivity in your role. Same for domain knowledge in software testing and domain knowledge for business analyst. So please view my other domain knowledge videos in this playlist. Thank you.